Hey there, how's it going? I'm Fernando. Welcome to Host 2B Academy. Today I'll show you how to customize your Shopify product page. First, let's access the Shopify dashboard. Next, click the online store button on the left. On the themes page, find your theme and click Customize. In the customization page, look for where it says Home. Click that, go to Products, then Standard Product. Click to open the product page. There's your product page all set up. To customize, go to the left sidebar menu. You'll see Header at top, Product Info in middle. Here you'll find all the info. Supplier text, title, price, variation, quantity selector, buy button, description, share button, all part of the product page. Most of these you can't edit. For example, you can't change the title or price. What you can edit is by clicking Product Information, which shows the customization option in the top right. First, we have the option to enable fixed content. We'll leave it default. Next is color. The default is color 1, but you can change the product page's color style, allowing you to select a different color if desired. I'll keep the default white background. Next, we have the media option for images. You can adjust the sizes to small, medium, or large. I'll set it to medium. Then we have media adjustments. I'll leave these at default. Now, for the desktop layout, click here to see image layout options. You can choose from these. I'll select the thumbnail with carousel. This shows a main image with a list of other product images below. This is my favorite and I recommend you use it too. Next is the computer position option. You can set it to left or right. We have zoom types. Choose how images zoom when clicked, whether to have zoom or not. It's up to you how to set it up. Now for mobile layout options, to change how it looks on phones, just go to the mobile option in the top right corner. And here you can see how the view will look on a mobile phone. We can also change the layout for mobile, so it's up to you. I'll show the thumbnails. Below, you can hide other variants, leave it unchecked or not. I'll leave it unchecked and also enable video looping. If you add a video to the product, you can turn looping on or off. I'll leave it off. Lastly, we have the top and bottom padding, where you can increase the pixel count. By default, it's 36, but you can change it to increase the distance between the product top and the header. The same applies to the bottom for the footer. So these are the main settings we can adjust on the product page. Other settings on the left side allow you to hide certain information. So here we have the text option, which shows our supplier. We can go to the text, delete it, or click the eye icon to hide it, and it can remove it. You can even hide any part like the quantity selector, description, or share button. You can hide these, it's up to you. To add more info, click Add Block for a list of options. You can add text, product code, stock status, and edit stock amounts. You can add customizable text and other options, including the context icon. It's great that you can highlight product features like free shipping or refunds, advantages your store offers to customers. So that's the info on our store's product page, and below it we have related product. There aren't more products now, so it's not showing, but you can see the related products option on the left. You can edit the title, change image sizes, and more. You'll see these when you add more products to your store. I only have one example product, so it's not displaying here, but if you want, you can hide related products by clicking the eye icon, and they won't show up. These are the settings you can edit on the product page through Shopify. You can make this page much better and more professional, but it requires using Shopify's code and files. We have many tutorials on this channel that show how to improve your store with code, all for free. Just search the channel for these helpful tutorials. After editing the product page, click the Save button in the top right corner to save your changes. Once you click, the changes are saved. Now, when you visit any product page in your store, you'll see your customizations. Your personalized changes have been successfully applied. I hope this video was helpful.